Okay, we are doing problem solving number 3 today. These are practicing for the test that's coming up and just kind of learning in general. So we're going to read the situation first. Johnny wants to go on a field trip with his school. He feels like he needs to have at least, so that's a clue word, I'm going to underline it, at least $500. So at least means this way. He probably really wants more than $500. He has already saved $50, so he has that much, and he plans to earn the rest of his money by delivering newspapers. If N represents the amount of money he still needs to earn, identify the inequality and graph of the inequality that represents this solution or situation. So let's just think about this. He's got $500. No, he's got $50, and he needs to have at least $500. So how much money does he still need? So N is the money that he needs, and it needs to be bigger or less than 500. But of that 500, he already has $50. So reality, he just needs to have more or equal to 450. So that'll get typed in here. Now, the problem that we're doing, though, is wanting us to identify the inequality, which we have done. This is our inequality, okay? And then we need to find the graph of the inequality. So in case you haven't noticed these bright yellow things over here, we're going to look at them. So that seems to match that. So I am going to turn that off, and I'm going to drag this to the inequality that I think it is. But now I have to choose which one of these matches that inequality. Okay, so let's think about it. First, that has a line underneath it. See the line underneath it right there? Okay, so you need it visualized. See how it has the line underneath it? Okay, so that means this one is not it. I can't get it to walk away. That one's not it, so I'm going to put it back. Maybe, if it lets me. Okay, so now I have to look at this one, and I have to look at this one. What's the differences between them? Well, this one starts at 500, and this one starts at 450. So when I'm looking at my inequality down here, that says N has to be bigger than 450. So yes, this is, but it could be in here too. So that means that my point has to be where that 450 is. And then everything above that, he can go on his trip. There's our solution.